Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add text outline color in Photopea software. So get ready started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see. Then we show the new interface. Then we show the mini tool. Now we select from text tool option. Now click. Then select from. Now keyboard press from any text. Now keyboard press from enter. Now you can see. Now going to the move tool option. Then we show the text. This text add outline color. Now you can see. Then we going to the text layer option. Now click. Then click from mouse right button option. Then click from blending option. Now you can see. Then select from stroke option. Now we stroke outline size. That it's. Now you can see add outline text color in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.